In recent years, Europe has faced one shock after another. From the pandemic and the war in Ukraine, to the energy crisis, inflation, and conflict in the Middle East, this wave of overlapping challenges is often called a polycrisis. To prepare for the future, the EU uses Policy Foresight. Foresight relies on a range of methods to explore possible futures, combining hard evidence with expert imagination. Policy Foresight brings these methods into policy making, helping policymakers look ahead, for instance by using scenarios. This helps them to shape better responses to the challenges they face. On one hand, exploratory scenarios map possible futures. They should cover both desired outcomes and those to be avoided to imagine the full spectrum of possible futures. For example, scenarios on the future relationship between the EU and Ukraine can describe the path towards a fair and stable peace, a protracted conflict, a new Cold War, or an escalation of the war. This helps policymakers in increasing preparedness. On the other hand, normative scenarios test different pathways to achieve a set policy goal. For example, climate neutrality by 2050 could be achieved mainly by business-driven, government-prescribed, or citizen action. In all cases, the aim of scenario planning is to help policymakers anticipate risks and opportunities, and the ultimate goal is clear: reduce the EU's dependencies, build resilience, and strengthen Europe's autonomy. The European Parliament has been active in foresight since the late 1980s, starting with technology studies through the Panel for the Future of Science and Technology. It then expanded to broader policy foresight with the European Strategy and Policy Analysis System and today's Policy Foresight Unit in EPRS. To learn more about EU policy foresight, take a look at our EPRS briefing.